Hey my honey buns. So it's been raining real heavy here in Houston, and we've been getting a lot of rain. And I noticed that my garden is doing really well. Today I harvested some basil, but I noticed my babies are hungry. And I was sent this Neptune tomato and veggie organic fertilizer. And how did I know that it's organic? Because it has low numbers. 2 is going to be our nitrogen, 4 our phosphorus, and the other 2 is going to be our potassium. Numbers represent NPK. So I heard really good things about Neptune. Heard that it is some amazing products. So I'm really trying to strengthen the root system of my babies, and so they can start producing. My okra, she look like she's about ready. She's real thick. My watermelon's doing good. So this is for tomatoes and veggies. And on the back of here, it says Neptune Harvest Tomatoes and Veggies. It's intended for tomatoes and vegetables. It may also be used for flowers, trees, scrubs, and house plants. So you want to use about 1/8 of a cup, 1 ounce per gallon of water every 1 to 2 weeks. And then for flowers, trees, and scrubs, it's the same thing. Seeds, you can use this for seeds, germinating your seeds faster to help wake them up. You use about 1 teaspoon per cup of water. Get my okra plant really big. I've been using fish fertilizer on her. So it's very important to feed them again, because after a hard rain, it just washes all the nutrients out. So it says use about 1/8 of a cup, which is about 1 ounce. So I'm just gonna pour it until my heart tells me stop. All right, let me stop. Okay. And you want to pour out the soil. Now it's best to fertilize at the end of the day, but I gotta go and I'm gonna be away from home. So out of the rainwater in some of these bottles, so I don't feel like going back in the house, and I'm trying to hurry up and do this because it's been raining like cats and dogs. So I just need to water this. Water my mint. My mint is hungry. She's like, we're hungry, mama. And then my marigolds too. All right, I fed everybody, gave them a little nutrients. So I'm about to head out, but you want to make sure you always fertilize your babies after a heavy rain. You have to replace that nutrient. So I need y'all to come back in a few weeks to see how these babies are doing.